Welcome back. In this video, let's look at a couple of exercises with the if statement. Let's say I have defined four variables. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, and D is 5, let's say. I want to find out if A plus B is greater than C plus D. I want to find out if sum of the first two variables is greater than the sum of the next two variables. If that is the case, I would want to print A plus B is greater than C plus D to the console. How to write a if statement for that? It's very simple, right? So if A plus B is greater than C plus D, actually I don't need a parenthesis in a if in Python. So I can write something of this kind. A plus B is greater than C plus D. I would want to print A plus B is greater than C plus D. What do you think will be the output? Yep, you're right. Nothing would be printed because currently A plus B is 3 and C plus D is 8. So 3 is less than 8, so this will not be printed. However, if I reassign A to 9 and do this, what would happen? Yep, it would be printed to the console, right? This was a very simple exercise. Let's now take up another exercise. Let's say I have three angles of a triangle, right? So angle 1 is equal to 30, angle 2 is equal to 20, and angle 3 is equal to 60. I want to find out if these three angles form a valid triangle. The hint is it's a valid triangle if sum of the angles is 180 degrees. So you can write a condition to check if these three can form a valid triangle. If they do form a valid triangle, print valid triangle. You can pause the video in here and give it a try. Yep, this is also very simple. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Do you think this would work? If angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180, I press enter. Nope, this will not work because is equal to is an assignment operator. It's not really a comparison operator. What we would need to do is double is equal to. If angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180, and now I can write the code in there. So print valid triangle. Okay, right now it's not a valid triangle because the sum is only 110. So let's change angle 2 and make it 90. Now angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 would be 30, 60 plus 90, which would be 180 degrees. So let's execute the same code again. Valid triangle. This was a simple exercise to check whether a triangle is valid or not. The last exercise is to check if a number is even or not. So now I has a value of 2. I want to check if I is even. If I is even, I would want to print I is even. How can I do that? The hint is you can do that with one of the operators we talked about earlier. Okay, I'll give another hint. The hint is you can use the modulus operator. It's very simple. If I mod 2, so if the remainder when something is divided by 2, what should it be? If it's 0, then print I is even. What would happen? I is even. If I is equal to 3, if I mod 2 is equal to 0, print I is even. Nothing is printed to the console. In this short video, we looked at a few exercises related to the if statement. I'll see you in the next video where we'll be talking a lot more about the if statement. Until then, bye-bye.